Thank you, this is my last song. So yeah, I'm Lissie at Murmur, and thanks again for coming. Thanks to these guys as well for having me support, it's great, so cheers. Alison, why you have to go away? If I only knew the pain you felt inside, I'd have been right there with a shoulder to cry on, cry on. Alison, how I miss you, and it's been almost a year. And I think of you, I think of you. Why didn't I reach out and help you? You will contact the world. I wish I could have told you that nothing is that bad. Don't let the world decide your worth, your worth, your worth. It's worth my weight in gold. If you're ever up there, you're feeling low. Alison, Alison, Alison. You should have seen the beauty that you behold it. If I could sing, I'd sing you back down to earth.